E-mini playbook, 7-minute recap, November the 1st, 2023. Let's go over. We start where we start with the daily. Before we get into it, we will mark today as a textbook trend reversal day. We have the 7 moods of the market. And based on our playbook, the fundamental is that the market has moods that it goes through. Backing up one level further, each market is similar to a person in that it has a personality, a character, it has traits, it has quirks, it has things that will happen consistently within it, the nuances of each market. This is the benefit of starting and learning with one market. After those nuances are discovered within those frameworks, there is the mood that the particular market is in on any particular day. And there are 7 moods as we go over in the playbook. We can have one of the 7 at any given time. So it is a study in the nuance of the particular market that we are in to identify the mood that we are in. The 7 moods, the trend pause, the trend continuation, congestion exit, trend continuation, and trend reversal. Looking at the daily chart, we ask the question, what is the mood of the market? Going back to the first part of October when we had this pullback, we went straight into a downward trend. This gives us nothing but short trades for these particular days. The challenge occurs on days like today because at the end of a trend, there's one of 2 things that's happening. There is a direct reversal or there is a trend pause. What we were questioning was whether this trend would continue downward, whether it would go into congestion and move sideways, or whether we would get an immediate shift in the mood and go directly into an upward trend. When the shift happens quickly, it happens even before the algorithms take effect. As we can see, this trend dot is still lining up to go downward. So on the intraday, we are looking for short trades. However, we're also mindful of the last 2 days closing higher than we started. So that's giving us an indication that we could potentially go into a pause or a reversal. How do we know which mood we're in? We rely on the daily tools, primarily the tool that we looked at today, the advanced decline line, letting us know where we were. Going back a step further than that, even before the market opened, we were in the market this morning and we were looking for shorts. However, in light of these last 2 positive days, the shorts are going to be very cautious. It's not the type of short where you're looking for it to continue, go up and down, and continue with this downward trend. That's not the type of morning that it was. The type of shorts that we were looking at this morning, we had our finger on the trigger. If anything out of the ordinary occurred, we were ready to take profit, go to break even, or let that go and move on to the next one because of the atmosphere and the mood that we were in. So how did that play out with the advanced decline line? Opening up at 9:30, we see the advanced decline line going up immediately from the market open. So looking for short trades was a bit out of the question with the advanced decline line going up this steeply. What we were looking to do this morning, we took a couple of trades. We had a couple of shorts, got in one for a loss, got in the next one, made back what we lost. But it was very delicate because you see right when 8:30 hits, we have this news coming out and the upward trend continues. So it was a very dangerous day to go short. It was a day for tight profits and monitoring the daily tools very closely. When the market opens at 9:30, then we can pay more attention to the tick and the advanced decline line. So it trickles up until the afternoon. So when the afternoon comes, we get a little bit of a pause. However, the challenge of the day was that we were up against news coming out at 2:30. We had the Fed announcement coming at 2:30. We do not want to be in any trades when the Fed announcement come out because there is activity that occurs that makes the market unpredictable. We cannot rely on the tools and the textbook fundamentals that we go over in the playbook about establishing who's in control when that Fed announcement can come out and completely change the entire sentiment of the day. So the advanced decline line was trickling going into the announcement at 2:30. So this is a textbook day in terms of analyzing what a immediate trend reversal looks like. Just going off the daily, we have this downward trend and then we have an immediate upward trend. There's no congestion, there's no sideways movement. We're going right into the upward trend as soon as this downward trend is over. So hope everyone traded well and the tools were in place to keep us on the safe side, especially when we were looking for shorts. So we look forward to going into tomorrow's activity, looking for this upward trend to continue, even though it hasn't taken effect on the indicators yet. It's given us all the indication that we could potentially go into an upward movement. We have a zone that we're resting on right here, and then we have a zone up here at 43.75, which we have a great distance before we cover. So look forward to trading tomorrow. Hope everyone had a great trading day and have a wonderful night.